Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about one of the most elegant and timeless look, platinum white hair. If you are a woman over 50, this hair color can be your secret to looking fresh, confident and stylish. In 2025, white hairstyles are not just about color, they are about attitude. So let's explore the best age-defying short and medium cuts that will make you look and feel absolutely fabulous. Platinum white hair can become a fashion statement for women who embrace their beauty with confidence. It gives a soft glow to your face and highlights your features in the most beautiful and flattering way. This stunning shades works beautifully with all skin tones and adds an instant touch of elegance. It's bold, classy and modern all at once. Short hairstyles are perfect for showing off your platinum shine. A pixie cut is one of the most popular choices. It's easy to manage, stylish and gives your hair natural volume. You can go for a layered pixie for extra texture or a side swept pixie for a softer formal look. Another great option is the classic bob. Whether you prefer it chin length or slightly longer, it adds movement and a youthful touch. Add light waves or soft curls for a modern graceful vibe. These shortcuts are not only age-defining but also make your daily styling routine quick and effortless. If you love a bit more length, medium layered hairstyles are a fantastic choice. Layers help create volume and texture, which is perfect for fine or thinning hair. A shoulder length cut with cotton bangs or feathers ends looks soft, light and elegant. You can also try gentle waves or a sleek straight style. Both look amazing with platinum tones for a trendy twist and highlights or lowlights to create depth and shine. Platinum white hair looks stunning, but it needs a little extra care to keep it shine. Use a purple shampoo to prevent yellow tones and maintain that cool, icy fresh. So ladies, that's our list of the best platinum white hairstyles trends for 2025. Thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.